Cases for image formations in convex mirror. Positions of object, positions of image, nature of image, minus infinity plus f virtual erect highly dimensioned minus infinity to p positive f to p virtual erect smaller. Velocity in a spherical mirror Vim is equal to minus v square upon u square Vom. It is valid for the component of velocity along the principal axis. Longitudinal magnifications Lm is equal to Li upon Lo is equal to minus b square upon u square. This formula of longitudinal magnifications is applied only when object is very small as compared to its distance from pole. Refractive index of medium n is equal to c upon v unit less n greater than 1 n is equal to 1 for vacuum. C is equal to speed of light in vacuum is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. V is equal to speed of light in medium. Relative refractive index n2 upon n1 is equal to c upon v1 upon whole upon c v2 is equal to v1 upon v2. Refractive index of medium with respect to medium 1, refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Refractive index mu g vg glass is equal to mu w vw water. Snell's law n1 into sin I is equal to n2 into sin r. Sin I upon sin r is equal to n2 upon n1 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to lambda 1 upon lambda 2. Snell's law valid for a plane surface and curved surface. Oblique incidence rare to denser, bends toward normal, denser to rarer. Tau is equal to I minus r. Bend away from normal, tau is equal to r minus I. Angle of deviations tau is equal to bड़ी angle minus छोटी angle. Refractions on plane surface. Real depth and apparent depth. D dash upon d is equal to n2 upon n1 d real depth distance of object from interface. D dash apparent depth distance of image from interface. रे शुड बी पैरेक्सियल n2 है उस वाले मीडियम की आरआई जिसमें रे जा रही है और n1 है उस वाले मीडियम की आरआई जहाँ से रे आ रही है. रियल इमेज शिफ्ट फ्रॉम अ स्लैब S is equal to T in bracket 1 minus mu surrounding upon mu slab. S is equal to T in bracket 1 minus 1 upon mu. When object and observer are in different medium, distance of image from observer d is equal to mu naught in bracket t1 upon t mu1 plus t2 upon mu2 plus t3 upon mu3 plus tn upon mun plus t naught upon mu naught. Net shift is equal to t1 in bracket 1 minus mu naught upon mu1 plus t2 in bracket 1 minus mu naught upon mu2 plus t3 in bracket 1 minus mu naught upon mu3 plus and so on. Lateral shift in slab tau is equal to t second r sin in bracket I minus r. Magnifications of image is less than 1, so mirror use is convex. critical angle and total internal reflection. Sin C is equal to NR upon ND, छोटी वाली upon बड़ी वाली. Critical angle of incident is greater than critical angle, then surface start behaving as reflecting surface, and this phenomena is known as TIR. Case 1. C is greater than I, tau is equal to R minus I is greater than C, tau is equal to pi minus 2I. Refractions minus TLR. If I is equal to 0, R is equal to 0, tau is equal to 0 minus 0 then 0, then I is equal to just greater than C, and tau is equal to pi minus 2C. If I is equal to C, R is equal to pi upon 2, tau is equal to pi upon 2 minus C. If I is equal to 2 pi upon 2, tau is equal to pi minus 2 into pi upon 2 is equal to 0. Ray from compound parallel slab. Ni sin theta 1 is equal to nf sin theta f. यह फार्मूला यूज करने से पहले एक बार TIR का लफड़ा चेक कर ले. जब रे डेंसर से रेयर में जाए